Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, let's see how to draw an electric guitar step by step. First of all, here's my beautiful ruler and I'm using my pencil to draw a few lines. Here's a trick to draw lines. Look carefully. And now I will join all the lines like this. A small line, and here I will do some curves. Another small line and round corner. Okay, it's done. Here's a dot, and I will draw a line here. It's a deep line. Another line, and I will join these lines together like a rectangle. I'm trying to draw a few holes. Okay. And now I'm marking this area because I will draw a big line here. Again, rounded corners and small line. I'm going to make it like a rectangle. Let's draw a few more lines here. And here's two cylinders. Again, few little holes. I will draw a few dots in both sides. It's done. Again, I'm using my ruler to draw a few lines. I will join them like this and again few dots. Another line. Now let's work on the upper section. It's a tricky task, so follow me carefully. Draw a few little circles. Here are some tiny plugs. Well, now draw several lines. Okay. Now I will draw its body. Uh-oh, it's a mess. I will clean it, don't worry. Okay, keep following me. Excellent. Now I will draw a few dots here. It shouldn't be a straight line, rather a curved line. I will draw a tiny flag here. And here another one. Let's draw a few circles. Okay, my drawing is done. I'm using my black pen to color a bit. But I will not do any outline with my black pen or marker, because you can see that here's so many small birds and those could be ruined if I try to outline. So, I will directly go for coloring. I'm using my red pen to color its body. Now I will use my pencil to create a gray color. And finally, here's my pale orange color pencil. I will use my color pencil to color the rest. Wow! This is how you can draw an electric guitar within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.